fast. We are on the Harley-Davidson Sportster S today, guys. Now, I've never rode this bike before. Can you tell me a quick bit about this bike real quick?
Yeah, so it's got the Rev Max 1250 motor. It has some ride modes, so rain, road, and sport.
Nice.
Other than that, it's just a joy.
Right, it's a pretty cool bike. And then it's got the big fat meaty tires up front, man. You guys know we haven't really rode one like that, man. Let's just take a quick walk around and we'll get it going. All right, well, it's not much more to see. We got the two pipes on the side. It's more so like a nice Suzuki bike, but we'll try it out and see what is going on. See all the new bikes.
Control, so make sure we know where those are located.
Got you.
Turn signals are still on the left.
Got you.
Ride modes are right here.
Nice. Okay. Okay, let's see. There we are. All right, Harley-Davidson Sportster S 2025, man. It's got the 1250 engine on this joint. Let me see. How many pounds is it? I don't freaking know. They want 15K for this one. This should be a pretty nice bike and different at that. It should be pretty different, man. Y'all let me know what y'all thinking about it so far. Oh yeah, this is different. The whole, you sit way up here. It feel like you sitting, so the last bike, the Pan America, it feel like you sitting way in the back of the bike. This one, the Sportster S, it feel like you sitting on the gas tank. I ain't gonna even lie. It feel like I can slide right. Oh yeah. I feel like I can slide right off this thing. I gotta get used to this braking and this shifting over here. My little force is gonna be whooped by the time I leave here today, bro. My little force is gonna be whooped by the time I leave here today. But it's all good, man. We are on that Sportster. Now this one, I might have to tilt my camera down a little bit so y'all can see. And then again, maybe not. That's the difference between these bikes, man. With that Road Glide, you got so much in front of you. With these type of bikes, you don't got pretty much enough in front of you. So let's see what we got here, man. Ooh, that motherfucker fast. Ooh, it's fast. I ain't gonna hold you. You gotta pay attention to the brakes and all that on this one, cause you'll lose it real quick. This thing is quick though. Hold on. I'm about to have some fun on this one. I swear this one is so different because the shifter on this thing, it feels like a brake, but it's not. So it's just really, really different. Let's turn that traction control off too. Let me see. Hold the traction control, turn that sucker off, baby. Let's see, turn the traction control off. Oh yeah, we got that. Yeah, we got that beast now. That thing's. Now just imagine this thing with some pipes. I ain't gonna hold you. This is a nice bike. I like it. Yes, sir. Y'all want to race? You want to race? This motherfucker go up. Oh yeah. Oh my God, I'm having too much fun. I'm having too much fun. This thing is nice. This thing is nice though. I'm not gonna hold you. Can we get a green light? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus. Damn it. I gotta get over yonder. Hold on, let me put on my little shindig, man. Cause I ain't gonna hold you. This bike is so different, bro. Now this gonna be the scary bike. The other ones I didn't think was so scary. It's like you can't even really hit the gas because it feel like you're gonna fall off this sucker. Oh yeah. The back brakes on this one ain't nearly as good as the as that Pan America. This one a little bit scary. I ain't gonna hold you. It's faster. It's definitely fast. It's definitely fast. You got a lot of wind. So if it's a lot of wind right now, my apologies. But it's nice though. This mother flubber fast. Yes, sir. We are on the Sportster S, by the way. 2025 Sportster S. I believe this is the Billard Gray. And this thing is insanely fast. I really wish I could have my 360 camera up right now, letting y'all get the view of this thing, because this thing is really sick. Now, y'all know I'm not the most experienced rider, but the bike feels good. Oh my God. Woo! Yeah, this thing is fast. Yeah, that's fast. That's fast. I swear to you, you're going like 60, 70, feel like you're doing 200. This bike is fast, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Just the only thing I don't like, you need a backrest on here for sure. And then you need something, cause like, bro, you trying your hardest to hang on. Ain't no pulling, ain't no gas in the bike and trying to shift gears, bro. Ain't no gassing. That means you're gonna be pulling back on the grips. Trying to pull back and trying to let that hand go to change to the next freaking to change to the next gear. It's not gonna cut it, bro. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Where am I? Okay. Good luck, brother. Look, I'm so used to putting my front end come up. Hold you, this bike is really fast. Way faster than I expected, that's for sure. Way faster than I expected, that's for sure. It is nice though. This thing is a freaking beast. I'm not gonna hold you. For this bike to be so freaking small, it packs so much power. But like I said, trying to hang on to this joint, man, it is like crazy. It's like a little mini rocket, to be honest with you. A really sick bike though. Yeah, this thing is up in the air, boy. Like, it's a stock bike. And it's up in the air 30 miles an hour. That's crazy. This thing is nuts, bro. Like, see, this is the type of bike I would get. And just, like, ride it around the neighborhood, bro. Like, this one of them fast mini bikes. Like, super fast mini bikes, bro. This one of them super fast mini bikes, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. This Sportster is pretty nice. Pretty nice. Look, they slapping that music, man. Look, he like, look, man, let me hook my music up because I'm trying to see if I'm gonna get this bike or not. I bet you this Road King don't want none. I bet you don't want none. You want some? You want some? You don't want none? You don't want none? See, I'm trying to give you some action, man. They don't want no action, man. Let's see what we got. We got green light, man. I know these guys ain't gonna freaking hit the gas, man. They all about to look at each other, stop and stare, man. I need to get around them, that's for sure. Whew. Man, I will eat that Road King up with this bike, bro. Don't start. I eat that Road King up with this. Oh, this thing is in the air. Oh my God. See, I don't want to get too far. I don't want to get too cracky because I know me. I'm going to be the one to drop the bike. I I just want to chill out, make it through the day without breaking anything. That's the only thing about being over here. It's like, bro, I'm trying to open this thing up before I get back. This thing is freaking nice though. I like it. If you guys like the bike, man, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Definitely a nice, fast bike. Definitely faster than I expected. It's a lot faster. A lot faster than I expected. And it sounds amazing. And it sounds amazing, guys. 2025 Sportster S, man. I think you guys, this will be one of the underrated bikes that you don't think you're gonna like. Because this is definitely a bike I've never ever rode before, and it's just like so freaking fun, dude. So freaking fun. Like, I didn't even think it was gonna be this fun, bro. I just need to take this, the bike you got to take to like the city that you know about. You know, trying to take it out here to Daytona and enjoy it is fun. You're gonna have your fun and whatnot, but you need to take it to a city where you know about the city, have this thing on wheels, and all the above. Awesome. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Awesome ride, man. Sportster S, dude. This thing is way different than I expected. That's for sure. Way different than I expected, that's for sure. Ooh. Way more different than what I expected, man. 2025 Sportster S. This thing was a freaking beast. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is a lot faster than what I expected, but it is something I would get. I would have to change this thing up, and we'd have to make it ours. But really, really nice bike. I want to ride that joint next. What is that one called? What's up, man? How you doing?
What's up, brother?
What is this bike called?
This is the Nightster.
The Nightster.
Yeah.
Okay, is he about to take it for a ride?
We got two of them, Nick. We got the regular and the special.
I want to ride the special.
That's a 1250.
Oh, this a what?
It's a 975. It's a little bit lower than this one.
Okay, so I rode the fast one already.
You
Okay.
like that when you put it on.
I'm gonna ride something else and I'm gonna come back because I want to ride that one. I like that one. Appreciate it, bro.